What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today I will tell you how you can easily airdrop files from your Android smartphone to a MacBook. It is very easy to do, and the best part is that you don't even have to install any third-party application on your MacBook. But yes, of course you need to install this app called WarpShare on your Android, which lets you share files from your Android device using AirDrop. This app uses a bunch of source codes from other projects to trick the AirDrop protocol and send files to your MacBook. Okay, before going any further, let's talk about limitations. This app only lets you share files from your Android to your MacBook. It cannot share files to any other Apple device. Second limitation is that it can only share files from your Android to your MacBook. There's no other way around. And finally, the max file size limit is about 4 gigs. That means any file above 4 gigs won't work. Now, let me tell you how you can do that. You need to install this app called WarpShare on your Android smartphone. Just download the APK file from the link in the description. Once installed, just give it all the permission it needs to set it up for the very first time. Once everything is all set, just set the AirDrop on your MacBook to everyone. Now open WarpShare on your Android smartphone, select your MacBook from the list, and using the file manager, select the files that you want to share. Accept the AirDrop request on your MacBook, and the file will be transferred from your Android device to your MacBook. Even with the limitations, this is such a cool thing that you can do on your Android smartphone. This will be really amazing for the people who use Android smartphones for all the cool features and a MacBook for all the performance. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.